kids. Let's learn colors, fruits, and which animals love them.
Red color! Red color! This is a red apple. And look, the deer loves red apples. Say it with me. R-E-D. Red.
Yellow color. Yellow color. Here's a yellow banana. The monkey is super happy. He loves bananas. Say it with me. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow.
Green color. Green color. A yummy green watermelon. And the elephant is splashing and eating it happily. With me. G-R-E-E-N. Green.
Purple color. Purple color. These are tasty purple grapes. And the goat loves munching on them. Say it with me. P-U-R-P-L-E. Purple.